Well, in this video, I'm going to discuss something better than the previous one. Now I'm going to discuss about how we can able to use multi-line string and organize those things, and we can able to use the other dictionaries or the previous defined dictionaries onto a new dictionary. Dictionary is nothing but a object what we have previously discussed. So first of all, we will go with something called as the details, and under the details I'm going to mention it as a name, and this is Shashank. Okay, this is the detail. So here this is called as aliases. So here I have to mention this as a base, means this is a base address. If you're someone from C background or any C++ background, you might be knowing that and asterisk marks are used for references. If you mention and, means you are giving a base location, you are mentioning the base location. If I'm mentioning the star, you are accessing that base location. So just think, when I say and base, we are assigning the details dictionary to the base. So once it is done, we can able to use another thing called as the details of a next person whose age is 12, and over there we can able to use star base. So you are going to okay, I think there is some issue with this particular thing. Duplicates are not allowed. Okay, fine. Here I have created two things, details and detail, and in the details I have mentioned it as a name Shashank, and the same reference I am using in the detail where I am mentioning it as a star base. So it is extracting the values from the details, assigning to this particular thing, and we are using this, and this is how we go with aliases. So this is the one, and after this one we have something called as the description, and under this I'm going to mention it as the hello world, how it is going. Okay, we have created it. So as you can have a look over here, I added the line breaks to everything. Here I am showing the line breaks, but in reality it will be added as a slash n. So if I mention pipeline mark over here, it's gonna add slash n, that is a new line in the strings, to everything. If I mention it as a pipeline, so it is gonna add hello world slash n, how it is going slash n. So if I don't want this particular thing, I can able to add and. So not the and, I can able to add I can go into this. Okay, I can able to add the greater than mark,